I'm Eve with LitePoint. I would like to introduce you to our IQxel MW 7G test system. The IQxel MW 7G is the first fully integrated tester that can test in the 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz frequency bands. The system is the ideal test platform for both design verification and manufacturing testing. LitePoint works closely with the major chipset manufacturers to develop chipset-specific test solutions for Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E, the 6 GHz version of Wi-Fi. The IQxel MW 7G has integrated RF sources and analyzers that operate from 400 MHz to 7.3 GHz. The test system generates waveforms and analyzes signals that follow the 802.11 standards up to and including 11AX. The IQxel MW 7G is available with either 2 or 4 VSA and VSG pairs and has up to 16 bidirectional RF ports. For higher order MIMO testing, additional testers can be daisy-chained for synchronized testing. In addition to Wi-Fi, the system can address a wide variety of popular connectivity standards, such as Bluetooth, Zigbee, DECT, Z-Wave, as well as cellular wireless standards for 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. Now, let's take a look at the system in action. First, you can access the tester's intuitive graphical user interface with any web browser by entering in its IP address or hostname. The interface can be used to configure the tester and view the measurements. Next, to understand how the generator and analyzer work together, let's do a simple loopback measurement. We'll use the VSA to analyze the signal that is generated by the VSG. In the VSG tab, we'll load and play an 11AX waveform. On the VSA tab, we set the correct frequency and power levels, and then we trigger a measurement to capture and analyze the signal. Here, we see typical measurements that are performed for manual or automated tests. We see an 80 MHz bandwidth spectrum and the RF mask based on IEEE standards. We see parametric results such as power and EVM. And we see the constellation, which is a great visual indication when troubleshooting issues with transmitter quality. During automated testing, these parametric results are all available through Skippy queries, and from the GUI, these results can be exported as images or tabular result files. The tester can be used to create and analyze multi-user waveforms for Wi-Fi 6 OFDMA testing. To show the power of the IQxel MW 7G, let's look at multi-user OFDMA waveform with 160 MHz bandwidth. In the spectrum view, we can see multiple users, each with different RF power levels and RU allocations. Using the transmitter quality analysis, we can see each of the 4 users in more detail. We can see the EVM, power, and RU allocation and MCS value of individual users. For test automation, LitePoint's IQfact Plus software provides a turnkey, chipset-specific solution. With IQfact Plus software, it comes out of the box ready to enable combined DUT and tester control. LitePoint works closely with chipset manufacturers and supports chipsets from all leading vendors, including Broadcom, Intel, Qualcomm, Quantenna, and others. Our chipset-specific IQfact Plus packages provide an out-of-the-box calibration and verification solution. Compared to traditional test automation development, which may take weeks or even months, IQfact Plus can be deployed in hours. With industry-leading hardware performance from the IQxel MW 7G, combined with the ready-to-go, out-of-the-box IQfact Plus software, you can bring your new Wi-Fi 6 and 6E products to market faster and with confidence. To learn more, please go to litepoint.com/7G. Thank you.